Good evening, everybody. First, I would like to personally give special thank you to all Slovenian women who bought tickets for my movie, Melania. Very emotional moment for me. So thank you, Brigitta from Ptuj, Mojca from Domžale, one woman named Špela1987, and one very confused tourist from Croatia who thought it was Marvel movie. You made it look like a real blockbuster. Thank you, or as you say, thanks. People ask me, Melania, what are you doing now? And I tell them, I take care of my bee colony at the White House. My bees are immigrants, just like me, very hardworking and very elegant. And then people say, why do you allow migrant bees in the White House? I say, because unlike the Democrats, bees actually produce something. So they can stay in the house, but they must give all the honey or they die. This is called American Dream. And of course, Happy World Bee Day to Mr. Janez Janša. I was very surprised to learn Mr. Janša, who died 250 years ago, yesterday became Prime Minister again. This just shows Slovenia is deeply traditional country. In America, politicians only come back after indictment, but in Slovenia, apparently, they return from dead. Very eco-friendly democracy, recycling everything. Oh, there is also a war in Iran, but I don't really... No, goodbye.